Get ready. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Start. This appeal is in challenge of the order of a learned single judge of the Bombay High Court granting anticipatory bail to respondent 1. When this petition was taken up for hearing, his learned counsel brought to our notice that in spite of the above order, the Assam police arrested respondent 1 and took him into custody. Thereby, he submitted the appellants have violated the direction of the Bombay High Court in the impugned order. We do not think it necessary to decide whether the Bombay High Court has jurisdiction to entertain the applications filed by the respondents. All the same, the questions of granting anticipatory bail to any person who is allegedly connected with the offences in question must for all practical purposes be considered by the High Court of Gauhati, within whose territorial jurisdiction such activities could have been perpetrated. In view of the considered position that appellants were not heard by the High Court, we set aside the impugned orders on that ground alone. The applications are to be disposed of after hearing the appellants also. For that purpose, we order that the applications for anticipatory bail filed by the respondents would stand transferred to the High Court of Gauhati, where those applications would be heard by a division bench of that High Court and appropriate orders be passed thereon. We request the Chief Justice of the High Court of Gauhati to allot these cases to a division bench to hear the applications. In order to avoid conflicting decisions and opinions, we think it necessary that all future petitions for anticipatory bail made by anyone in common or related matters referring to such activities committed within the territorial limits of the Gauhati High Court shall be heard only by the same division bench. We further direct that no such applications for anticipatory bail shall be entertained by any court other than the division bench of the High Court of Gauhati indicated above. Status as on today will be maintained by the appellants, respondents, which is necessary to enable the division bench of the High Court of Gauhati to pass appropriate orders to the applications filed by the respondent. We direct the registry to take immediate steps to ensure that the applications filed by the respondents for anticipatory bail in Bombay High Court are dispatched to the Gauhati High Court so as to reach thereon. The appeals are thus disposed of.